a cháirde, gur maith. Thank you. I've been looking at the figures at Bitesize Irish in 2025. We've had over 6,000 people take our challenge. That's our Gaeilge gach lá 5-day challenge. We've had over 5,000 posts on Bitesize Pobble. That's our private community with daily challenges. We've just sold 50 copies of Dús, our starter kit, and maybe most surprisingly, 395,000 plays of our audios across our websites. Now the thing is, I'm very aware of this. It's very easy to get lost in numbers and metrics, and it's about you. So gur agat. Thanks for having Bitesize Irish be part of your Gaeilge journey. It doesn't really matter if you're just interested in the language and culture and mythology and all that, or if you're an active learner already. So chara gur míle maith agat. Gaeilge gach lá.